What happens when you don't use electrical appliances for a long time? Have you ever left your old blender, a backup laptop, or a spare heater unused for months, or even years? You might think that just sitting there quietly means it's safe and harmless. But actually, there are some surprising risks and consequences when electrical appliances are left idle for too long. Let's break it down. 1. Phantom power drain. Even when turned off, many modern appliances still draw small amounts of electricity if they are plugged in. This is called phantom or standby power, and over time, it adds up on your electricity bill. The fix? Just unplug them when not in use. 2. Fire hazards. Though rare, unused appliances that stay plugged in, especially old or damaged ones, can pose a fire risk. They might short-circuit or overheat without warning. Unplugging them when not in use is the safest option. 3. Power surges. Appliances left plugged in are also vulnerable to power surges, whether from lightning or unstable electrical grids. Use a surge protector, or better yet, unplug when storing. 4. Internal component degradation. Over time, even unused electronic components like capacitors can dry out or fail. So when you finally power the device back on, it might not work at all. Turning it on occasionally can help prevent this. 5. Battery damage in rechargeable devices. Devices like laptops or cordless tools have internal batteries that degrade when left fully charged or completely drained. The solution? Store them at 40 to 60% charge and recharge every few months. 6. Dust and moisture buildup. Appliances sitting idle often collect dust, and in humid areas, even moisture. This combo can cause corrosion or short circuits. Keep appliances covered and store them in a dry environment. 7. Pests and rodents. Unused appliances can attract pests like mice or cockroaches, who love nesting inside and chewing wires. Seal them up or store in rodent-proof spaces. 8. Software obsolescence. For smart devices, months or years of inactivity might mean missed updates or even outdated firmware. Before you reuse them, check for software updates and reset if necessary. Tips for long-term appliance storage. Here's how you can protect your appliances. Unplug completely. Remove or partially charge batteries. Cover to prevent dust and pests. Store in a clean, dry, and stable temperature space. Power them on once in a while to keep them alive. So remember, just because you are not using an appliance doesn't mean it's safe from damage. A little care today can save you repairs, replacements, and risks tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart home tips.